We got an all-new family thing, and we have here, your name, sir?
TJ Ingersoll.
TJ?
T-Jin.
T-Jin, okay.
Yeah.
And
Tiffany.
Tiffany.
And Jeff.
And your daughter is?
Anissa.
Anissa. Okay, guys, we're with Anissa Ingersoll and Tiffany Ingersoll. Guys, how did you do today?
I won women's, and I didn't.
We're not sure about overall for Super Mini yet because there were some issues out there.
Okay, but you still won the women's class.
Yeah.
So tell me about that. What was the whole situation?
It was kind of boring. There was only 4 of us, and I was like the only.
Only one that actually rode like
Yeah.
a mad woman.
I lapped them all.
Wow. Okay.